Yeah, hello students, how are you? I hope you all are well. Students, today we will learn chapter number 12. Chapter number 12, that is time. That is time. So, our learning objectives are telling times to the exact minute, AM and PM, seconds, conversion of units of time, the 24-hour clock time, conversion of 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time, addition of time, subtraction of time, time intervals, calendar, months and days of a year, finding days and dates, problem on addition and subtraction of time class. Now let's start the chapter class. Row the hands on the given clock according to the number of hours passed. Now 10 a.m. here is up 10, 3 means 10, 11, 12, 1 p.m. 1 p.m. Now 5 hours. 1 के बाद 5 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6 o'clock. 6 p.m. Okay class? Now throw the hour hand and minute hand to show the given time. Now 2:50. So 2 here is 50. 8:15, 8 and 15. Okay. Now 12:35, 12:35. Okay class. Now measurement of time help us to maintain our daily routine. And work in orderly manner. क्लास हम अपने डेली रूटीन में टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग ही टाइम करते हैं. किस टाइम हमें स्कूल जाना है, स्कूल से आना है, ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर, स्लीपिंग टाइम, प्लेइंग टाइम. ओके, वर्क इन ऑर्डरली मैनर. हम ऑर्डरली मैनर के अकॉर्डिंग, हम टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग वर्क करते हैं इन ऑर्डरली मैनर. वी हैव लर्न अबाउट रीडिंग, राइटिंग टाइम्स इन आवर्स एंड मिनट्स इन द previous class. We have learned about reading and writing times in hours and minutes in the previous class. Okay, now we learn more about the measurement of time. Okay, now class, telling time to the exact minute. Utpal has a digital watch, okay, which gives a display of time correct to the exact minute. See, 7:30, 7:30, 8:08, 8:08. This time is easy to read from the clock too. This is not easy. क्लास सी, अब 7:30 था, यहाँ पर आपने 7:30 देखा तो ये इजी था, दोनों में सेम था, बट दिस इज नॉट as easy to read from the clock as the minute hand is yes to reach to. अब वो पहुंचने वाली है, अब हमें नहीं पता चल रहा है इसमें कि 7 मिनट हो गए 8 बजकर या फिर 8 मिनट्स हो गए हैं. तो इफ यू लुक एट अ क्लॉक क्लोजली you will find that between the number written on its face, that is 1, 2, 3. See, यहाँ पर नंबर्स लिखे हुए होते हैं क्लास. ओके, 5, 6, 7, 8. सी, ये जो डॉट है ये क्या है, 8 का. ओके, written on its face till 9, where are small lines or dots which correspond to a single minute. So between 1 and 2 there are 4 lines. There are 4 lines which divide the space between 1 and 2 into 5 equal parts. Similarly, the space between 2 and 3 is also divided into 5 equal parts by 4 lines. Okay. In the figure, you can see that the minute hand is at 48 between 9 and 10. See, 48. ये किस पे? 48 पे. And the hour hand is near 3. Near 3. So the time is 2:48. Okay. Now in clocks which you see the numbering of minutes up to 60 is not done. Then how to do we read minutes? Okay. You know how to count the minutes in fives. So when the minutes hand is at 9, it is 45 minutes past to the hour, and when the minute hand is at 10, it is 50 minutes past. The hour, so between 9 and 10 will lie the minutes, 46, 47, 48 and 49. Okay, so if the minute hand is at the first line, it is 46 minutes past the hour. How many minutes? 46 minutes. If it is at second line, so it is 47 minutes past, and so on and so on. Look at this part of a clock face. The minute hand is at the second line. After 3. See, ये second line में है, 3 के बाद. So it is 17 minutes past to the hour. Okay. See here. Now come on the exercise 12.1. Write the exact time shown in each clock. See class. अब यहाँ पर देखिए 5. अब यहाँ पर हमें जो लाइन है ना, स्मॉल डॉट्स जो लाइन है, आप इनको काउंट करना. 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is 5, 8. Okay class. Now see, there is 7, 1, 2, 3. So 7:56. क्योंकि क्लास ही 11 मीन्स 11 मीन्स 55 और ये एक आ गया तो प्लस 1 56 7:56. ओके, रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट डू योरसेल्फ. क्लास नाउ वी यूज AM एंड PM. सो वी डिवाइड अ डे इनटू 24 आवर्स. हमने अपने दिन को 24 आवर्स में डिवाइड किया हुआ है, बट ऑन अ क्लॉक वी कैन सी ओनली 12 आवर्स टाइम. Only 12 hours time. In one day, the hour hand goes around the face of the clock twice. When a clock shows 9 o'clock, it is 9 o'clock in the morning or it is 9 o'clock at night. क्लास 9 बज रहे हैं, हमें कैसे पता चलेगा वो सुबह के 9 है या फिर वो इवनिंग के 9 है. ओके, इट इज इन द मॉर्निंग और इट इज इन द एट नाइट. ओके, टू रिमूव दिस कंफ्यूजन, इस कंफ्यूजन को हटाने के लिए वी यूज AM और PM. AM को विच इज शॉर्ट फॉर एंटी मेरिडियन. AM इज एंटी मेरिडियन फॉर द टाइमिंग्स बिटवीन 12 o'clock at midnight एंड 12 o'clock at noon. अब रात के 12 बजे से सुबह के 12 बजे तक वी यूज AM. ओके, एंड वी यूज PM मीन्स पोस्ट मेरिडियन फॉर द टाइमिंग बिटवीन दोपहर यानी कि 12 नून से लेके रात के 12 बजे तक. ओके, सो 6 o'clock in the morning we use 6 AM and 6 o'clock in the evening 6 PM. For writing 12 o'clock we do not use AM or PM, we write 12 noon or 12 midnight. ओके, हम 12 बजे के लिए हम AM PM का यूज नहीं करते, हम क्या यूज करते हैं 12 नून और 12 मिडनाइट. ओके क्लास, सी 12 o'clock midnight, 12 o'clock noon, 12 o'clock midnight. So it is 24 hours in a day. Now example, what is the time? 1 hour before 11 AM. So it is 10 AM. See, 2 hours before, 2 hours after 10 PM. So it's 12 midnight. 12 midnight. 3 hours after 10 AM. So it is 1 PM. Now 3 hours before 2:40. So it is 11:40 AM. Okay. When it is exactly 12 noon or 12 midnight, it is neither AM or not PM. जब exactly 12 बज रहे हो, 12 noon या 12 midnight हो, तो ना तो वो AM होता है ना ही वो PM होता है. Okay. Now write the time AM और PM. क्लास इवनिंग के लिए हम PM यूज करते हैं. So PM मॉर्निंग के लिए 9:20 in the morning AM. Okay class, now rest of the parts do yourself. Now students, seconds. Some clocks or watches have a third hand. तब किसी वॉच में क्लास थर्ड हैंड भी होता है मोस्टली. ओके, कॉल्ड द सेकेंड हैंड इट इज द थिनेस्ट, वो बहुत पतला होता है, एंड मूव द फास्टेस्ट, वो बहुत तेज तेज चलता रहता है. इट कवर्स टू 60 स्मॉल डिविजन्स इन 1 minute. इट टेक्स अ 1 second टू मूव फ्रॉम वन स्मॉल डिविजन टू द नेक्स्ट. वो 1 सेकेंड, अब इससे ये जो छोटे छोटे से जो ब्लॉक है वो यहाँ से लेने में 1 सेकेंड का टाइम लगता है, और जब वो पूरा 1 सेकेंड हो जाता है तो वो क्या हो जाती है 60 seconds, दैट इज 1 minute. Okay class. Now thus 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Similarly, now we are aware of 3 units of time, that is hour, minute and second. Second is the smallest unit among the three and hour is the largest. hour क्या होता है largest, second होता है smallest. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay class. Now conversion of units of time. Conversion of units of time to convert minutes to second. To convert minutes to second, multiply by 60 and seconds to minute divide by 60. Okay. So seconds to minute multiply or minutes to second divide. To convert hours to minute, we multiply 60 and minutes to hour divide by 60. Minutes to hours multiply or hours to minute divide by 60. Now come on the example number 1. Convert 5 minutes 30 second to second. अब 5 मिनट में क्लास कितनी वो होती है सेकेंड्स, तो हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 5 into 60 plus 30, बिकॉज ये तो पहले से ही सेकेंड्स है. ओके, 5 6 are 30, 300 seconds plus 30 seconds, 330 seconds. Now example number 2. Convert 6 hours 55 minutes to minute. अब मिनट्स में करने के लिए अगेन हम डिवाइड करेंगे, अगेन हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. नाउ 6 multiplied by 60 plus 55, 360 minutes plus 55 minutes is equal to 415 minutes. Now class convert 300 seconds to minute. अब हमें मिनट में करना है सेकंड को, so we will divide, it is 5 minutes. Okay. Now example number 4. Example number 4, convert 145 minutes to hour and minutes. So we will divide 2 hours 25 minutes. See, यस जो हमारा क्वेश्चन है वो हमारा आर है, और जो हमारा रिमाइंडर है वो हमारा मिनट है. ओके क्लास. नाउ कन्वर्ट 5 डे इनटू आवर्स. तो 1 day is equal to 24 hours, so we will multiply by 24 into 5 is equal to 120 hours. Now come on the exercise 12.3, convert into minutes. 12 hours into minutes. So r को मिनट में करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई by 60. Now 12 6 are 72, 720 minutes. Similarly, now 2 hours. अब ये पहले से मिनट्स है, हम 2 hours को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 60 से. ओके, और प्लस 10. 6 2 जा 12, 120 प्लस 10 is equal to 130 minutes. Okay class. Now students, rest of the parts do yourself. Now convert into hours. क्लास अब हम इसको डिवाइड करेंगे किससे, 60 से. 60 से, तो 80 divided by 60. 6 1s are 60, 1s are 60, 20. So it is 1 hour 20 minutes. ओके, ये हमारा क्या होता है, आर होता है, और ये क्या होता है हमारा मिनट. ओके, नाउ 570 minutes. सी here divided by 60. 60 1s are no class. Table of 60. 6 1s are, you can recite the table of 6 also. Okay, 61 are 60, 62 are 120, 63 are 180, 64 are 250, 65 are 300, 66 are 360, 67 are 420. So 67 are 420, 6 8 are 40, 6 8 are 48, that is 480, and 6 9 are 54, means 540. So 6 9 are 69 are 450, so it is 9 hours, so it is 9 hours 30 minutes. ओके क्लास, 9 hours 30 minutes. क्लास मैंने यहाँ पर 6 का टेबल डिसाइड किया क्योंकि यहाँ पर पीछे 0 है, सो जो भी होगा मैं उसके पीछे 0 लगा दूंगी. सो वी विल कैन डिसाइड द टेबल ऑफ 6 ऑल्सो. ओके, नाउ रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट डू योरसेल्फ क्लास. Now the 24-hour clock, the 24-hour clock, the 24-hour clock time is used by railways and the airlines. Railways and airlines. Some offices also work by 24-hour clock. The 24-hour clock time does not use AM or PM. वहाँ AM और PM use नहीं होता 24-hour time में. Times begin from midnight, which is indicated as 4 times 0 hours. The first two zeros stand for hours and the next two zeros for minutes. ये hours के लिए और ये minutes के लिए. 1 AM is written as 0100 hour. Now 1 PM is written as 300 hours. 2 plus 1, 12 plus 1, 13 hours. Now 1:45 is written as 13:45 hours. 6 PM is written as 1800 hours. 12 plus 6, 18 hours. Now zeros are is also written as 2400 hours, which means that day is over, like this. Understand class? Now conversion of 24 hours clock time to 12-hour clock time. Yes class, the basic rules of converting our 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time are as follow. Now one, if the number on the left of 24 clock time is less than 12, अगर वो less than 12 हो, then it means that the time is in AM. अगर वो 12 से less than है means वो AM है. Example 7:25 hours means 7 क्या है, छोटा है किससे, 12 से, less than है, so AM. Now 5 is also less than 12, so again AM. Now if the number on the left, we will see always left of 24-hour clock time is more than 12, then it means that time is in PM. The difference between the number on the left 12-hour clock time and 12 gives the number of our hours after 12 noon. So 16:35 hours means 4:35 means ये PM है. Okay. Now again more than 12, again 9:40 means PM. If the time on 12-hour clock is in PM, then the sum of the time is 12-hour clock and 12 gives the time in 24-hour clocks. Okay. Now third is if the number on the left of 24-hour clock time is say 12 और अगर वो 12 ही है then the time is in PM. अगर वो नंबर ही 12 है तो टाइम क्या होगा, PM में होगा. एग्जाम्पल 12:05 means 12:05 hours, so 12:05 PM. Convert to 12-hour clock time. Now 5 hours. 5 hours means less than 12, 5 AM. Now 19:10 means more than 12, so it is, we will minus 12, it is 7:10 PM. Okay. Now again 12:45, so means ये पहले से ही 12 है, so means ये PM. Okay. Now example number 2, convert to 24-hour clock time. Now 7:15 AM. 7:15 hours. Now 4:15 PM. 4:15 PM plus 12. So it is 16:15 hours. 16:15 hours. Now 11:28 PM. जब PM होगा हम उसमें प्लस कर देंगे. Now 23:28 hours. Okay. Yes class. Come on the exercise 12.4. Now question number 1, change into the 24-hour clock time. So it is 9:09:30 hours and it is 1000 hours. Understand class? Rest of the parts do yourself now. Students, question number 2, change into the 12-hour clock time. Now it is class 1 1:10. Okay, 1:10 a.m. Now it is 11 a.m. Okay, class. Now rest of the parts do yourself. Now, students, addition of time. Addition of time. Example number 1. Add the 45 minutes, 25 seconds and 15 minutes, 40 seconds. So, add the second firstly. 25 plus 40, see 65 seconds. So, 60 seconds, 1 minute, 5 seconds. So, carry over 2 minutes to column. See, write 0.5 in second column. Add the minutes 45 plus 15 plus 1 61 minutes. Answer 61 minutes 5 seconds. Okay. नाउ क्लास हमने यहाँ पर 5 इसलिए यहाँ पर हमने 0 इसलिए रखा क्योंकि यहाँ पर 25 प्लस 40 क्या होता है 65 सेकेंड 65 सेकेंड मीन्स 1 मिनट 1 मिनट से हमने मिनट को यहाँ पर ट्रांसफर किया और यहाँ पर क्या रखा 0 सेकेंड. ओके. नाउ example number 2, at 6 hours 35 minutes and 2 hours 35 minutes. Add the minutes. Now class 35 plus 35 70 minutes. 70 minutes means 1 hour 10 minutes. So हमने यहाँ पर कैरी दिया और 10 मिनट्स को यहाँ रखा. See carry over 1 to R column, write 10 minutes in minutes column. Now step 2, add the hours. अब हम इनको hours को add करेंगे means 1 hour plus 6 hour plus 2 hour is equal to 9 hours. So answer is 9 hours 10 minutes. Now class, subtraction of time. Subtract 20 minutes 45 seconds from the 60 minute 10 seconds. Now borrow 1 minute 60 seconds. Borrow 1 minute 60 seconds. Now 60 plus 10 70. 70 seconds minus 45 seconds 25 seconds. Write 25 in second column. Subtract the minutes now. 59 minutes minus 20 minutes is equal to 39 minutes. Write 39 in minutes column. So the answer is 39 minutes 25 seconds. Now come on example number 2. Subtract 5 hours 45 minutes from 7 hours 31 minutes. Yes class. Step 1, subtract the minutes, but 31 minutes is more less than 45. So borrow 1 hour or 60 minutes. 60 plus 31 91 minutes. 91 minutes minus 45 minutes is equal to 46 minutes. Write in minutes column. Subtract the hour column. 6 hours minus 5 hours is equal to 1 hour. So answer is 1 hour 46 minutes. Now students, come on the exercise 12.5. Now A part is hour column and minute. 2 hours 14 minutes and 1 hour 25 minutes. Now class, 4 plus 5 9, 2 plus 1 3 and 2 plus 1 3. So 3 hour 39 minutes. Okay class, 3 hours 39 minutes. Okay. Now A is done. Rest of the parts do yourself. Now students, question number 2, subtract 9 minutes 30 seconds from 20 minutes 50 seconds. Now minutes, seconds. 9 minutes plus C. Now 30 seconds is less than 50 seconds. So yes class. Now 20 minutes 50 seconds and 9 minutes 30 seconds. Now minus 0, 5 minus 3, 2. Now it will become 10, 10 minus 9, 1 and 1. So 11 minutes 20 second class. 11 minutes 20 seconds. Now A part is done. Rest of the parts do yourself class. Yes class. Now students, time intervals. When both the times are given either in AM or PM, the time interval can be formed by subtraction. जब दोनों ही टाइम आर गिवन आइदर इन AM और PM, Time interval can be found by the subtraction. Okay. Samira goes to shopping 2:30 p.m. and come back at 5:55 p.m. How much time does she away from home? Now 5:50, 2:30. Now 5 minus 3 2, 5 minus 2 3. So 3 hours 25 minutes. Okay. वो शॉपिंग पर इतने बजे गई थी और आई कितने बजे, तो मीन्स उसने 3 घंटे 25 मिनट्स शॉपिंग की. ओके. when one time is in am and other time is in pm, एक टाइम तो am और एक टाइम pm है, convert time to 24-hour clock and then subtract. See, a plane took off from Delhi 8:30 and reached Sindh at 11:45 p.m. What is the duration of the flight? 8:30 मीन्स हम उसको क्या करेंगे 24 आवर्स में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे. नाउ 11:45 it is 23:45. Now then subtract. So the time take 15 hours 15 minutes. Now come on the exercise 12.6. Now find the time interval between now 5:15 a.m. and 10:25 a.m. C class. Now hours and minutes. 10:25 a.m. and 5:15 a.m. C class. 5 minus 5 0, 12 minus 1 1, 5 minus 5 5. So the interval is 5 hours 10 minutes. Okay class, 5 hours 10 minutes. Now 1:15 p.m. and 3:45 p.m. Similarly दोनों क्या है PM PM means 3:15 3:45 p.m. 3:45 and 1:15. Again it is hour and it is minutes. 5 4 minus 1 3, 3 minus 1 2. So it is 2 hours 35 minutes. Understand class? Rest of the parts do yourself. Now class, calendar. Calendar is the system of organizing all dates of the year. It shows the months, weeks, days of a year. See class, this is the calendar of January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. See class, days in a year. A normal year has 365 days. However, every fourth year is called a leap year and has 366 days. How does a leap year get an extra day? How does, अब यहाँ पर एक extra day क्यों है leap year में? See class, we know that Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours. 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution around the sun. वो कितना टाइम लेती है? 365 days and 6 hours. However, a year is rounding off to 365 days. Now, the extra 6 hours are added together from one whole day in 4 years. 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 24 hours. Means one whole year, one whole day. अब 6 घंटे हमने 6 घंटे 1 साल 2 साल 3 साल 4 साल, वो 4 साल में मिलकर क्या हो गया? 24 घंटे हो गए. मीन्स 24 घंटे मीन्स वन डे. ओके क्लास, 24 घंटे मीन्स वन डे, अ होल डे. Thus every fourth year gets an extra day. इसलिए हर 4 साल में एक एक्स्ट्रा दिन आता है जिसे हम बोलते हैं 360 days और लीप ईयर. This extra day is added to the month of February. और वो किस में ऐड होता है? February में. So February has 29 days in a leap year. Now example, which of the following is a leap year? Class 2012. अब हमें लीप ईयर का हमें कैसे पता लगेगा? अगर वो एग्जैक्टली 4 से डिवाइड हो रहा है मीन्स वो लीप ईयर. अगर नहीं हो रहा इट लीव सम रिमाइंडर, सो वो लीप ईयर नहीं है. So 2012 is exactly divisible by 4. So 2012 is a leap year. Now 1994 is not exactly divisible. ये यहाँ पर exactly divisible नहीं हो रहा क्योंकि यहाँ पर 2 remainder है. So it is not a leap year. A leap year is a leap year. A year is a leap year if it is exactly divisible by 4. If a year ends in hundreds such as 1600, then it will be leap year only if it is divisible by 400. Okay, class? Now, months and days of a year. A year has 12 months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. A year has 12 months: January, March, May, July, August, October and December have 31 days each. अब ये जो months है इनमें क्या है? 31 days है. कितने days? 31 days each. April, June, September and November have 30 days each. February has 28 days. February of a leap year has 29 days. Okay. Writing dates, the general format to write the date is as day लिखेंगे हम पहले, फिर month लिखेंगे और फिर year लिखेंगे. Okay. In short, a date is written as group of 3 numbers separated by colons. 6 June 2018. So 6, 6, 18. Day, month, year. Finding days and dates. Now see class. Example number 1. My school closed for the summer vacation from 11 May 2017 onwards and reopen कब होंगे? After 54 days. After 54 days, when did my school reopen? Total number of holidays 54. Number of day from 11th May to 31st May 21 days. Okay. 11th May to 31st May 21. Now remaining days 33 days. Number of days from 1st June to 30 June 30 days. Remaining 3 days 33 minus 33 days. Does the school reopen on 4th July 2017? Here we include both dates. Here we include both dates. If now come on example 2. If 1st January 2017 was January 2017 was Sunday. जब 1 जनवरी 2017 को संडे था, when was the date? 27th जनवरी 2017. और 27th जनवरी को क्या होगा? We know that the same day is repeated every 7 days. हमें पता है same day repeated होता है every 7 days. So the dates for Sunday is in January 2017 after 1st January 8th, 15th and 22nd. Now 22nd January 2017 was Sunday. So 27th January 2017 was Friday. Okay. Now come on the exercise 12.7. Now write the following dates in short form. See class. 10 May means 5th and 2008. Okay. Now 14th July 2005. Okay class, rest of the parts do yourself. Now question number 2. Radha had a winter break 14 days. ये कितने बड़े? 14 days. She joined school for January. What was the last working day of her school? अब क्लास राधा हैड अ विंटर ब्रेक. राधा के पास विंटर ब्रेक था 14 डेज का. इफ शी जॉइंड स्कूल, और उसने 4 जनवरी को स्कूल ज्वाइन किया है. ठीक है क्लास. नाउ व्हाट वाज द लास्ट वर्किंग डे ऑफ हर स्कूल? नाउ राधा हैड अ विंटर ब्रेक 14 डेज. इफ शी जॉइंड स्कूल 4th जनवरी, व्हाट वाज द लास्ट वर्किंग डे? तो उसने लास्ट वर्किंग डे क्या होगा क्लास? 14 डेज बिफोर मींस 20 दिसंबर. 20 दिसंबर. Okay class. Now students, were problems on addition and subtraction of times. Example number 1. A car leaves Delhi for Agra at 6:30 am. It takes 4 hours to reach Agra. वो 4 घंटे लेती है. At what time will it reach Agra? Car leaves from Delhi to at 6:30 am. in 24 hours time. A time taken to reach Agra, 4 hours, means this. 6 hours 30 minutes, 4 hours. Okay, so 10:30 minutes. 10 hours 30 minutes. So 10 hours 30 minutes means 10:30. Hence car will be reached at 10:30 a.m. Now example number 2, Anil was admitted to a hospital on May 15, 2008 and discharged on June 15, 2008. How long did he remain in hospital? Anil was admitted 15th May 2008. Remaining days of 15, 13 minus 15, 16 days. Number of days of June, 15. Okay, total days 16 plus 15, 31 days. Hence Anil remained in the hospital for 31 days. For 31 days, क्योंकि 15 days तो मे के हो गए, यानी कि 16 days. May and June के 15 days means 31 days. Okay class, now students, your chapter is completed. Prepare it very well and we will meet you in next class. Thank you class.